So, Mugello in the GR86. We're near the back. It's a rolling start. We need to be ready. I think third gear is the gear to be in. See if we can make some progress. I didn't qualify very well. But
About to go
I think I've got a bit more speed. Looks like second might be the gear to go then if we're going this slow.
This car is off. Be ready.
Gosh, everyone's been furiously warming up their tyres. Don't know when we're going to go. Soon, hopefully. Or is you just going to wait for the lights? This is interesting. They're all going to be very bunched up here, which is probably a good thing. But here we go. That's it.
Green flag. Green flag.
Right, didn't quite get that, did we? That's a shame. Not the best start.
Car on your left.
He's dropping back though.
Clear.
He doesn't want to be involved in the first corner shenanigans.
Car on your left. Clear on the left.
I want to keep with the group if I can.
Go right.
Okay, he held it together more or less, didn't they? Let's go with them anyway. Get these tyres a bit warmer. Can't quite go flat out through that section. This guy's dropping back a little bit, isn't he? Close in if we can. Let's be there for the slipstream on the straight if we can get it. There's a bit of a gap emerging, isn't there, here? Be nice to keep with this group ahead if we can. Whether we can or not, I don't know. Are we in the slipstream? Oh, more or less, not quite. Are we getting dropped? I think we are. It's not what we want. Drop those guys behind. I don't know what they're doing.
20.247.
We're not dropping back too much. We lost a couple of tenths. Maybe we can get it back. Yeah, looks like we can. Bit of trial braking. Right with them now. Can we make a move anywhere? Yeah, it's easy to go wide there. All about momentum, this car.
Left side.
I had it and then I lost it.
Right. Clear on the left.
Okay, that's one. Next one then. I thought we had a little bit of pace. Yeah, I think that guy behind's a bit slow. A bit slower than these guys. I think that's better to go tight in there. You can take it in fourth and do sort of a wide sweeping line. I did that in qualifying and lost like nearly 4 tenths. which is why I was a bit further back than I'd hoped to be. But anyway, we're in the slipstream this time. That makes a difference.
9.342.
Got a lap time anyway. Slow through there.
What was that?
It's just about momentum though.
10 minutes to go.
A short race as well. Back with us, isn't he? The guy behind. Jelly. However you pronounce it. Jelly? Not sure. Go with Jelly. A little bit slower in that bit, and then you can carry the momentum out, which is what we did last time. I'm going to make the same move. No. More speed coming out there, though. Blinker ahead. It's always good fun to race against. Definitely right with him, aren't we? So maybe we can make a move on the straight. Gel behind, or Jelly behind, is very close as well. They're going side by side. We'll slow them down. Do I bump draft or go by? What do we reckon? And push, shall we?
8.894. New fast flat for you. Right side. Keep to the left. Keep to the left. Clear on the right.
I think second, because we lost a lot of speed up this hill last time. Cost us a lot of speed through there as well. Hey, where are we going to get by? Need to move over, don't we, really? Like that. Oh, and off track as well. Blimey. Was a bit wide. Throwing us a little bit off wide for that bit. Brought it back a bit. Still with him, aren't we? Just where do we make the move? These are hard to get by, these cars. Back to the straight then. I need to be the other side of him, really, don't I?
Go left. Go right. Go right.
Okay, well, that didn't work out for them, but it worked out for us. See if we can go by then.
Car right. Still there.
Don't know if we'll have the speed.
7, 6, 5. Still there. You're in
No.
the top 10.
No, we're not, are we?
Keep to the left. Keep to the left. Clear on the right.
Got him.
Right side.
Okay, I'll stick to the inside here, I think.
Keep to the left. Still there, hold your line. Clear.
Got him. Done it. Okay, well, let's keep it together. In this section. Not get overexcited. And go off. I've done that a bit better that time. I'll have a bit better momentum through here, hopefully. And then we can keep away from him on the straight with a bit of luck.
5 minutes to go.
So not much quicker than him, I don't think. He was just a bit unlucky on that last corner before the straight because he had to slow a little bit for that double crash. I think we've got away a bit, haven't we? Let's let him close in a little bit. But I'll keep the inside. He's closing in a little bit with a slipstream. I'm going to keep the inside to 8th. That's not too bad.
9.9.
He has got the slipstream though, hasn't he? He can go the long way.
Still there. Clear. Left side. Keep to the right. Still there, hold your line. Keep to the right.
Back up.
Clear.
That's annoying. I thought I'd done enough. Let's do it all again now. So we've got more momentum again.
Right side. Still there, hold your line. Stay on the left.
Oh, I only just held that. Problem is, everyone's now
there,
closing
hold
up,
the
aren't they?
Stay on the left.
Still there, haven't they?
Still there.
Got him.
Still there, hold your line. Clear.
Gonna hold him on the straight.
Car on your left. Clear. Left side. The leader just did a 7.92. Stay on the right.
Ah.
On the right. 3 wide.
Right.
Hold your line. White flag. 1 more lap to go. Still there.
So we're just all together, aren't we?
Hold your line. 12.
I've got the inside, but
4. Car on your left. 2 wide.
too wide now.
Stay on the
Okay.
right. Clear on the left.
Now what's going to happen?
Left side.
I mean, he just came across in front of me.
You're on the right. 3 wide. Left
tried to
side,
brake.
2 wide. Clear on the left.
Manual reported.
Is he reporting me, is he? I don't know who he's reporting. Anyway, I think I was there. We'll look at that replay. So, we're on the last lap. Can we keep ahead? It's like the 2 behind a battle. See if we can close this out. Bit of momentum through there, although he's coming up quick, isn't he? It's funny, you get a bit of momentum and you close up really quick. Have I got enough? Slipstream again. Okay. Okay. Oh, he's got a bit of a better run, hasn't he?
Left side.
Bugger.
Keep to the right.
He's going to get me.
You're pulling away from the car behind. The gap is
How annoying.
2.1
Look at that.
seconds. Still there. Hold your
Oh well,
line.
ninth
Clear
then.
on the left. Car on
Okay.
your left.
Well, let's have a look at that incident
flag.
before we look
It's
at the
over.
main incident, shall we? Okay, so this is the second to last lap. Well, we're just coming on to the last lap. So all together, I guess, I mean, he is ahead, but I'm on the inside. We're all just braking, and he just comes across. There's nothing I can do about that, really. I can only brake as hard as I can brake. I mean, who braked first? Let's have a look. When did I start braking? So he's ahead. He brakes, I brake. So actually, in terms of track position, I braked probably a bit earlier than him. So I'm hard on the brakes. He's just coming across. So he's moving in the braking zone, I think you would say. So yeah, I'm not taking responsibility for that. I think that was racing incident or moving in the braking zone. But anyway, let's have a look at the other incident, shall we? Okay, so this was the start. Didn't get a very good start at all. Let's see what happened to everyone else, shall we? So this is up ahead. So, oh, just a bit of a bang into the corner. This is the group I was racing with, I think, wasn't it? Number 10 and the one with the stars on it. Oh, unlucky. Is that the two we came through? Yeah, so not that many incidents then, if that's all it's showing. Then what have we got? Are these the leaders? Just, oh gosh. Well, what's that about? That's just bashing him off the track, isn't it? Blimey. And then we've got, so this is me and the guy, we came together. Okay, so yeah, there wasn't a lot of room, was there? It's hard to keep it on track, but he's got me, I think. So I think he gets me here, doesn't he? He does. But then I'm back on the power. Got a slightly better exit. So let's just watch this through, because this was quite tight, wasn't it? So I've got the inside. He gives it up, I think. Yeah, just about. Still very close. And then what have we got? Oh, a bit more bashing. Don't understand that. Don't understand that. Interesting. Anyway, let's have a look at the results. Okay, so that was top split. We managed to get some safety rating, would you believe, and some I rating. So the fastest lap was a 2:07.1. We were all the way down here, 2:08.9, so a fair bit off, unfortunately. Yeah, good race. I enjoyed that. Shame about the incident, but I think that was definitely moving under braking. I was held on the brakes. They got ABS, so I couldn't do any more. And we braked. Well, I braked actually on the track slightly earlier than him. But yeah, good. Anyway, I'm sure people have a view, as they always do. So let me know. I don't mind if people tell me I've got it wrong. I always like to learn. Yeah, let me know what you think. Anyway, if you want to see more of this sort of stuff, then do stick around, hit that like, hit subscribe, and maybe I'll see you next time on the track.